Welcome to the fourth module of chapter Human Eye and Colorful World. In this module, we are going to discuss about the scattering of light with the help of an activity. By the end of this activity, you will be able to understand why the sky appears blue and it appears red during sunrise and sunset. So let us start our activity. Place a strong source of light S at the focus of a converging convex lens L1. As the light passes through the lens, it produces parallel beam. Now allow the parallel beam of light coming from the lens L1 to pass through a transparent glass tank T containing water. Then allow the light coming out of the tank to pass through the hole of the cardboard C made in it. Then obtain a sharp image of the circular hole on a screen using a second lens L2 as shown here. Now you have to dissolve 200 grams of sodium thiosulfate or hypo in 2 liters of water taken in the tank. Add about 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid to water. What you can observe? We can observe that the fine microscopic sulfur particles precipitating in about 2 to 3 minutes. As the sulfur particles begin to form, we can see blue light from the 3 sides of the glass tank. This is due to the scattering of white light by the minute colloidal sulfur particles. Observe the color of the transmitted light from the 4th side of the glass tank. Here we can see that the red color is produced, orange red color is produced, then it changes to bright crimson red on the screen. By the time the light reaches the 4th side, blue component of white light has got scattered away, so we can see only the red part of the spectrum in the light. Sun appears to be reddish or orange red color during sunrise and sunset. It is because during the time of sunset and sunrise, sun is near the horizon. So the sunlight has to travel greater distance through the atmosphere to reach us. So during this journey, most of the shorter wavelength present in it gets scattered away. So the light reaching us directly from the rising and setting sun consists of longer wavelength, that is red color, due to which the sun appears reddish during sunrise and sunset. The molecules of air and other fine particles present in the atmosphere is having very smaller size than the wavelength of the visible light. So when sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the fine particles in air scatter the blue color more strongly than red. The scattered blue light enters our eyes. So the sky appears blue in color. Whereas sky appears dark to the astronaut because there is no scattering of light in space. It is due to the absence of atmosphere. So sky appears to be dark instead of blue to an astronaut looking from space. So you have studied the reason behind the blue color of the sky and red color of the sun during sunset and sunrise. Thank you.